Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sync contacts using Zapier. This is an incredibly useful automation that allows you to keep your contact information synchronized across different platforms without any manual effort. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Zapier dashboard. This is where all your automations called Zaps will be created and managed. After logging in, look for the Zap button and click on it. This will start the process of creating a new automation from scratch. You'll be taken to the Zap editor where you can build your workflow step by step. Now click on the trigger button. The trigger is essentially the starting point of your automation, the event that kicks everything off. In the search bar that appears, type in Google Contacts and select it from the list of apps. This will allow Zapier to monitor your Google Contacts for any changes. Next, you'll need to choose the trigger event. For syncing contacts, select New Contact as your trigger event. This means every time a new contact is added to your Google Contacts, the automation will activate. After selecting this, you'll be prompted to connect your Google Contact account. If you haven't connected it before, sign in with your Google credentials and grant Zapier the necessary permissions to access your contacts. This step is crucial as it allows Zapier to read the information from your Google Contacts. Once your Google Contacts account is connected, it's time to set up the action. Click on the Action button. This is where you define what happens when the trigger fires. In the search bar, type in Google Sheets and select it from the list. You can choose any app here depending on where you want your contacts synced, but for this example, we're using Google Sheets. Now choose the action event, select Create Spreadsheet Row. This will add a new row to your Google Sheet every time a new contact is detected. After selecting this, connect your Google Sheets account by signing in and granting the necessary permissions. Then click Continue. Here comes the important part, mapping your contact fields. You'll see a form where you can match data from Google Contacts to columns in your Google Sheet. For example, drop the name field from Google Contacts into the name column in Sheets. Then do the same for email, phone number, and any other fields you want to sync. This ensures all the relevant information transfers correctly. Once you've mapped everything, click Continue. Before finalizing, Zapier will ask you to test the action. This test run confirms that everything is working properly and that data is flowing from Google Contacts to Google Sheets as expected. If the test is successful, you're almost done. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name, something like Sync Contacts to Sheets, so you can easily identify it later. Then click the Publish button to turn your automation on. Your contacts will now automatically sync whenever a new one is added. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.